Mastering Div Centering Techniques, HTML and CSS Tutorial. Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on how to center a div element using HTML and CSS. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced web developer, understanding different techniques to position divs in the center of the screen is a valuable skill. In this video, we will explore various methods and best practices to effortlessly center divs horizontally, vertically, and both simultaneously. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how to create visually appealing and responsive designs. Let's dive in. We begin by covering the fundamental approach to centering a div using CSS. We'll explore techniques such as using the margin property, auto values, and the text align property to center text within a div. These methods are simple yet effective for achieving horizontal div centering. Vertical centering can be a bit trickier, but fear not. We'll walk you through the process step by step. We'll cover different approaches, including using display, flex and the align items property, as well as the position property in conjunction with top and transform to vertically center a div. Sometimes, you'll need to center a div within another div. We'll demonstrate how to achieve this with HTML and CSS. By leveraging relative and absolute positioning, we can manipulate the child div's placement inside its parent div, ensuring perfect centering. To create visually striking designs, positioning a div in the middle of the screen is crucial. We'll show you how to accomplish this by combining horizontal and vertical centering techniques. Using a combination of CSS properties like position, fixed and transform, translate we can precisely position a div in the center of the viewport, regardless of the screen size. In this section, we'll explore more advanced techniques such as using CSS flexbox and CSS grid to center divs. These modern layout methods provide powerful tools for achieving both horizontal and vertical centering effortlessly. Mastering the art of centering div elements using HTML and CSS is a fundamental skill for web developers. In this tutorial, we've covered various techniques to center divs horizontally, vertically, and in the middle of the screen. By applying these methods and understanding the underlying CSS properties, you'll be able to create visually stunning and responsive designs. Remember, practice is key, so experiment with these techniques and incorporate them into your future web development projects. Happy coding! Happy coding! Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more HTML and CSS tutorials and coding tips. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel.